nice buildings here. Yes, my baby. Look nice, oh, nice
See all the
hotels.
people who lives here, you can tell
Yeah, yeah.
from there.
European.
All
Marriott, Palm Jumeirah. Look, cool, oh, yeah. Nice oh, here. Modern. Nice sky. And they're still building over there. Which hotel is this? Hilton.
the
Oh,
police
the 5
is
stars.
arranging the traffic.
All here, Baba, 5-star hotels.
Yeah, yeah.
The Marriott, the Hilton. Where is this? Oh, nice one. Oh, yeah. This is the one I was filming. Oh, nice. Oh, look. They're connected. This one, oh, nice shape. Look. There's a, wow, a lot of yachts over there. Nice. It's nice. Look, baby. Very nice. Yes. Yes. Yes, baby. Yes. Oh, nice. And the eye is there, oh. The biggest Ferris wheel in the world. Nice. Look at the shape. Slim. A bunny. Landmark Group. It's the Landmark Group. They have this. Wait, baby.
This is Subha metro station, then we arrive.
This is my baby. Yes. Wait, my baby. Mama is filming. Nice buildings. There's to the road west. These buildings.
Look at their Marsa.
Ah, yeah.
It's a
The
very
yachts,
nice area.
no?
You can walk outside for 2 hours. Look at these buildings there. Why the GPS is taking me somewhere else? That's why I get confused.
I think it's near.
We reached Mama. We should come to this area here.
We're almost there.
We should have come in me and you before Zaid. No?
The baby, oh, is there. Stroller like Zido. videos. Here. We are near to Dubai Marina. Oh, tall buildings, dito. Skyscraper. There, oh, nice ones. Nice buildings. Look, look. You want to go there?
The most important is to find the park.
Yeah, here is the Dubai Marina. Dubai Marina Mall.